parachute. I'm geeked on next week, back no more features, I might embarrass you. Yeah, glow. Stomp a little pussy hoe with some shell toes. Yeah, glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bail hoe. Yeah, glow. Two-tone Cartier match the nails hoe. Yeah, glow. No competition, these bitches stale hoe. Yeah, glow. Curbing, no curbing, my shit in layers hoe. Yeah, glow. Say they get money, but I can't tell hoe. Yeah, glow. Keep running circles around these snail hoes. Yeah, glow. And my shit bumping up in the jail hoe.
Contribute to the violence every penny. I say she don't fuck around with 30 years. Take 10. Think you gon' fuck with me for free? It's what you lace with. Yeah. When all the smoke like a vape pen. Hold on, brother.
Actually, Lil Yachty's shit kind of going right now. I don't lie. Let me look at all of them. See, this is corny as hell. I want to wear one of these this episode. This is kind of crispy. I don't know.
Turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it.
Oh, well, this is just shit.
Not no fool without no fully.
Okay, thank you. Shit. You know? Holy shit.
We up the most, you know that been a score. 2-1. Yeah. Brother, tell me what we on, I'm on the same shit. The death I plant because ain't nice, but I hate them. I feel the safest when the club let me bring Drake in. Why you wanna see it smile?
I just need this pussy on me.
They contribute to the violence every penny. Say she don't fuck around with 30 years, take kids. Think you gon' fuck with me for free, this what you lace with.
Okay. Alright. I was not ready for that one.
If you ain't come in, nigga, calm down.
You one of them, so yeah. I can't have you going over. You feel me? This is country song, man. You feel me? You coming out? What the fuck did I say?
I'm on the same shit. If I plant because ain't nice, but I hate them. For the safest when the club let me bring
you want something too? You want something?
Ain't they facing? I don't know that they contribute to the violence every penny. Say she don't fuck around with 30 years, take 10. Think you gon' fuck with me for free? It's what you lace with. When all the smoke like a vape pen. Hold on, brother. Like the boogeyman, fucking the game, dropping bangers. Yeah, if you ain't never took a man, I know I was on that on our key in the county. Yeah, Echo turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it. I'm just sitting on it. Not no fool without no fully.
Did I kill him as he ran into the pole? Are you kidding me? Or are you mad? That's insane, dude. That is cool. Okay. Wow. I just fucking got my car back. And it's broken again already. Okay. Damn, this car is like not gonna explode at all. Not like I'm trying to make it explode right there. I am kind of a little bit. This car is not breaking, dude. I have the unbreakable car. Like, it's confirmed. I can turn this beat off the line trigger and making love to the juice. I'm just sipping on it. I'm literally driving with no hand. I'm driving with one hand. Okay. so trippy right now. This funny shit in my ass. It's not even that hurt. It doesn't even hurt that much. Money's done. Are you kidding me? Let me go to another gun shop.
Yeah, big body bills I have off my mama. Big body escalate, one like a Hummer. When I pay the cash, I throw racks in the gutter. Too many hoes that come in by the double. We kicking hoes out the hotel like a Roddy. My bitch bad, she look like a Barbie. Me and the baby like Jordan and Scotty. I don't even rap, it's low-key just a hobby. I mean, when I rap, I get paid for that shit. Someone ducked off in that language, bitch. I just do commercial, I did well math in the air, put my arm on the band up. Serious, I don't even play about that money. Tell me you driving the Maybach or something. Everybody gon' have something to say when I bought them. I can kick shit all kind of ways how you want. Get 50 racks for my mama and bought her a Benz. I do not care about the cause. She's really annoying. She wanna FaceTime me all day, but I'll pick up and put her on pause. I'll be working all day, do not question my loyalty, nigga. If I don't pick up your phone, I'm on a PJ and PJs for 20 racks in my pocket.
Alright, so we're about to go. Where are we about to go? We're about to go to the gun store to pick up jerry can to make a crazy intro scene for the intro. We're gonna basically make a crazy intro with Diego, and it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be legendary. I'm hopefully not gonna die before I get there, because that would suck a lot. And you know, okay. And then they ask like, oh no you don't. Okay, alright. I'm actually not crashing. I'm doing better than I thought I would. I'm doing better than I thought. Let me shut the fuck up. I'm gonna actually go. How did I get out of there? That was crazy. This is the most country ammunition I've ever seen in my goddamn life. I just killed one of your members. He just told me to get lost. Did I not rob the fucking... I still have 72, even though I literally robbed the gas station and took money from this exact cash register. So now I have to go back to the exact one that I just burned the guy in. That was a clean headshot. Now, I have to have like 140 or something, you know? Jesus Christ. It's crazy that they don't give a fuck about ammunition, but they give a fuck about a gas station. It's like, it's insane. So, now I gotta go to another fucking gun store. I hate my life. I gotta go to another gun store, which is like all the way over here. That was the same one that I just was at. So that's nice. That's good. You knew I was playing this, like you just knew it. Okay. I'm in the wrong room. I am in the wrong room. I'm supposed to crash. Okay. I might even be able to drive this. If I would stop crashing shit in the middle of nowhere, then I would have a vehicle to take shit off. I'm turning up Glorilla till I die. I was sleeping on her, I ain't gonna lie. I was sleeping on her. I ain't gonna lie, I'm turning her up now. It's okay, I'm turning her up now, you know? Everybody has that stage with one artist at least where they sleep on them for a while and then turn them up. Like a year or two later, you know? I've been hearing about her for a while. It ain't my first time hearing about her. You feel me? I just have to stop walking this slow. I could kill myself. How does he not recognize me, but everybody fucking else does? Like, what? I'd be like, nigga, if you don't get the hell out of my store if I beat your ass. Nigga, I'm already buying what I want, so I don't know why you tell me to take my time. So not gonna work. What do I need for this? Do I just need? Hold on. Let's try this one. We got the shot. That was the shot. You know? That was the fucking shot. Still amazing. Is that the cops on there? I like the cops. I'm like, is there a cop behind me? Or? I'm here for it. I'm not here for it. How do I keep this fucking door open? Like, I feel like I simply keep the door open and shoot it. Can I have my vehicle back? Is he still in there crying about... If you want to shut up... I gotta call somebody down. I don't have 6,000, so you're kind of out of luck if you don't know. No charge, nice. Okay, where the hell is the Moors, whatever the hell at? I gotta go all the way back over here to fucking get my vehicle. This is insane. Alright, well, I guess we'll be driving for a bit. What are you honking at me for? I have like 39 guns, bro. I don't have shit. Well, you will be dying if you fucking try anything, man. You know what? Okay, well, you're lucky. You lucky I let him off the hook. You lucky. You know. Yeah, thanks. Fucking kill more people than your fucking age, so I wouldn't be talking. Fuck you. You know, it's niggas who don't need it's niggas who really shouldn't be talking like I'm talking. It's like, it's insane. It's like, I don't have any business with you or your family. I'm gonna go get soda. Oh my god, pretty bad. We're gonna park on the side of the road. We have 2 more miles left. I'm gonna take a bathroom break. I'm gonna take a soda break. I'm gonna take all of the breaks real quick. Just like a BMW check or something. What is it? I don't know. I'll be back. Hopefully nobody kills me. Let's continue. Oh, this fucking stupid drive. I don't even know why I have to take this long fucking drive just to get back to my house. It is 11. It is 11 p.m. a.m. Not p.m. Fucking idiot. That'll be 24 o'clock. What? I think that would be 23 p.m. or 23 o'clock at least. I don't really know. Okay, I'm on my phone. I probably shouldn't be. It's not bad. I get jiggy with my jokes. I'll show you. I'd rather not take a shortcut. Oh no. Oh, there's a playground. Oh no. Just go back to the same one after that. Okay. How y'all doing? Since everybody I know saw that. She screamed when she saw me coming down. Don't do that. Either she knows me and I'm famous, or because she was scared. Either one. Could be both. Probably both. You know what? Since I'm a pop star, I kind of look like, what's his name? I look like a rock artist. Wait. I kind of look like a rock artist. You're lucky. You're lucky. You're real lucky. You're lucky. That's some Homelander. That's some villain shit right there, bro. I know. I'm just gonna go get my car. I'm gonna stop causing havoc. She dead? Yeah, she's dead. I like how I said that and still continue to kill someone. I'm gonna do it. Of course, that one explodes, but no other car before that exploded. I love that pink. Okay. That actually was sick as hell, right? Yeah, you could have given me a car, Mikey. Yeah, give me a car.
Oh, damn, homie.
Yeah, you need your car taken from me. Especially saying, damn, homie, none of y'all got guns up here. You would think in these types of houses, y'all would have like gun protection in your house or something. But she just told me to say sorry. Okay. Yeah. I keep fucking up my car. I don't know how this keeps happening. Like, I really don't. Well, yes I do. Because I drive like a fucking maniac. That's why. Alright, let me just get my car. I don't want shit else but to get my car. Probably do some more. So, yeah.